Hi everyone. Once again, this is Silent Trader. I'll be talking about the S&P 500 and also the correlation with the pronouncement of US President Donald Trump with his advocacy for the tariff. Okay, let us discuss first the market structure using the technical analysis. Okay, first is that we'll try to locate the support and resistance right here. Okay, so as you can see, this is already a parabolic move, a very long parabolic move. We also have a parabolic move here. Okay, so in every parabolic move, there is a possibility that the market will correct, just like what happened here. It will be around 26%. And we'll be expecting from that all-time high, we'll try to expect around 21%. On the previous chart, we've seen also in every parabolic move, there is a correlation. I think there will be also a timing on this time around October 2018. As you can see, we also have a 20% drop. On the recent chart, same as you notice, we have this parabolic move and we also have this 20% drop or 21% drop. So, um, reading the current chart right now, a higher chance that the market will continue going down, right? If there will be there will be another big countries to be imposed by Trump for the tariff. Okay, so probably it will hit around 21%. Much worse will be a 25%. Okay, I think this will just visit here around 21% or 21.71%. Okay, using our strategy, the silent trader indicator, we've seen that there is an early buy signal right here. There is a buy signal. I mean sell signal. No, there is a sell signal last February, which indicates the weakness in the market. That's a good thing for our indicator. Okay, watch out for our upcoming extensive training for this indicator and also a free webinar. Okay, just follow my page and wait for my announcement. On the weekly time frame, let us check on the bigger outlook. Okay, there is a sell signal indicating that there is a selling pressure. Last March 10, the opening candle for the monthly candle, okay, there is a sell signal. So indicating that probably it will retest the EMA 200, no, around that area and even lower around 4747 or 4700 level. Okay, indicating around 22%. Okay, so EMA 200 also act as a very strong support way back on the previous charts. The market always bounce on that level. No, same with last October 2022, and probably this will happen also here. Okay, so that's a good thing for our indicator. As of now, we don't see any reversal, even the intraday. It's a very strong sell signal yet. We don't have any a sign of recovery, even the 1 hour time frame. We also have sell signals on every time frame, very bearish. It is a very bearish, even with the daily time frame, still very bearish. Okay, so there might be some continuation before having a recovery. Okay, that's all, and thank you, and hopefully it helps. Thank you.